Okay, here we go. This is a AGT little mini QH13R. That's probably 13 horsepower. Gonna walk around here and then Justin's gonna get in there and show us how to do it. Nice thing about this is it has a cab on it. So this time of year right now, this is when you need it. And you can just get in there and go for it. Look at how nice this thing is. Well, it should be because it's brand new. Okay, I've seen enough, Justin. Get in there and show us what it can do. That's cabs or something else.
Yeah.
They're like little cubicle compartments.
Fan.
You know, you probably in the summertime can just be an automatic sauna. You don't even have to go after work to the sauna. Just shut the door and cook. Nice. He's pretty big, and you can see he can get around in there pretty good. Got lights. Nice little blade. It's got the little thumb there for grabbing some stuff. Oh yeah. Nice. Anyway, he's gonna... Not much to him, just a little gas motor. Could do a video on every one, they all run exactly the same. For a homeowner or for a contractor that uses it maybe once a week or whatever, you just can't beat these things. Super nice. Compact little units. Well, he likes that go all the way around. So anyway, that's the video on this little mini. You even got a window in there. What is that? A wiper? Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't see the wiper. So if it's raining hard, you can still see. And the fan. It's got the fan in there. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay, that's it on this one, huh? All right, that's it. See you on the next one.